best wireless earbuds of 2024. Tech companies are increasingly entering the wireless earbuds market with their products, offering innovative features and functionality. Today, brands including Samsung, Apple, Google, Sony, etc. offer phenomenal noise cancellation and sound quality in the premium tier of earbuds. Whether you're looking for earbuds that work well for Zoom calls or for streaming your favorite Spotify playlists and podcasts, there are many options available. Therefore, GadInsider has brought you some of the best top options for earbuds. Apple AirPods Pro 2nd Gen. The 2nd Gen AirPods Pro is an improved version of Apple's original pair with better noise cancellation and improved sound quality and volume controls. It also offers a USB-C charging case. They're the only AirPods that come with different sizes of ear tips for a customizable fit, including an extra small option. It's available at $199. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Samsung's Galaxy Buds 2 Pro consists of a plethora of features, including 24-bit audio, spatial audio head tracking, auto switching, and more. A great earbud like this one is available for $140 at Samsung stores. Nothing's Ear A earbuds feature the same design as its predecessor. It's available in a catchy, bright yellow color. It includes ANC, decent sound quality, and other features such as a low latency mode for gaming, multi-point Bluetooth pairing, and a decent IP54 dust and water resistance rating. It's available at $100. Beats Fit Pro. The Beats Fit Pro earbuds are the best option for sports and workout. It features excellent noise cancellation, and its sound has just the right amount of bass and kick to keep you motivated. Moreover, the ear hooks of the Power Beats keep them securely locked in your ears during even long-duration workouts. It's available at $199 on the market.